This is Joe Hollins for LifeSafety Power and PowerPro TV. And this video provides basic information on the new Generation 2 D8 power distribution board. The D8 is used to provide distributed power to external field devices or internal access control boards. It accepts either 1 or 2 input voltages and distributes them to 8 individually protected outputs. Visual output indication is provided by output. Voltage selection is provided by output. Expandable in 8 output segments. There are 2 versions, the D8 fused at 3 amps per output and the D8P, which is PTC protected at 2.5 amps per output. The D8P is UL listed for Class 2 power limited use. The dual bus power input will accept a single or dual voltage source from either 1 or 2 FPO power supplies. And it provides for daisy chaining those connections to the rest of the system. Fault and fire alarm notification are also daisy-chained throughout the system by the Flex I/O connectors. The D8 does not use these signals actively, but simply passes them on to other accessory boards that do. Onboard visual indicators show output status to the technician, and the output LEDs indicate voltage value by illuminating green for a 12-volt output and blue for 24 volts. This is the LSP OutSmart technology. There are 8 configuration jumpers JP1 through JP8 for outputs 1 through 8 with each jumper identified. The D8 can accept up to 2 power supply inputs. These yellow jumpers select which of those 2 power supply inputs are used for a specific output. If only a single power supply is being used, set this jumper for position 1. Typically, B1 equals 24 volts, B2 equals 12 volts. The green output terminals provide a voltage output to supply power to a reader, a REX, access board, or other device where individual overcurrent protection is necessary or desired. Odd numbered terminals are positive. Even terminals are DC common or negative. Each output of the D8 is protected by a 3 amp ATM automotive fuse. The output LED will not illuminate if this fuse is blown. Each output of the D8P is protected by a 2.5 amp PTC, which is a solid-state circuit breaker. The output LED will not illuminate if this PTC is tripped. This diagram provides a basic system illustration of the D8 wiring. See the full manual on the LSP website or contact LSP Tech Support for more information. This QR code may be scanned to download more information to a phone or other device. Thank you for watching.